Hello everyone, this is Clovis from the Fritzenlab YouTube channel in one more video for you. Today we're going to talk about analog inputs. We're going to use this little circuit board in here, which is a ESP32 based circuit board that I made myself. You can see schematics and diagrams in fritzenlab.net for it. We're going to connect a potentiometer. This is a 10K potentiometer to pin A0, which is pin D0 actually. You can see a D0 in here. So it's connected to pin A0. It's connected to 3.3 and 0 volts. So it's gonna supply between 0 and 3.3 volts to the microcontroller when I turn the potentiometer in here. I'm going to show you the computer screen for you. Here you can see it's showing 3300, which is 3.3 volts. I'm going to put the potentiometer down a bit, so 2.7, 2.6, 2.5, 2.4, 2.3. So the voltage is decreasing, as you can see. It's 0.7, 0.6, 0.07, 0.06 volts now. It's showing 67, 68. Now I'm going up again. I'm going up to 3.3 again. So this is what the circuit does. There's a potentiometer connected to an analog input of the circuit board, and then the information is being sent via USB or via serial communication to the computer. Okay guys, see you next time.